on, heathen. You heathen. We gotta go to Haven. Exit on Haven. Whoa. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another episode. You guys might notice we're in the same clothes, probably because this is part two of this vlog. I just want to bring you guys along for this. I'm recording it separately from what you guys had just seen on the last episode, so I just want to like let you guys know that that's why we're wearing the same clothes.
We're not dirty, right?
We're not dirty, but you guys can tell from the title of the episode, we're going to pick up my Seibon carbon fiber hood that I've been wanting since I got this car. I'm super excited. Shout out to Timmy for hooking it up and finding the hood for me. I really appreciate it. And shout out to Mike at High End. We're headed there right now. He's somewhere out there, man. So we're in a manual like mini truck. What kind of
Toyota?
Oh, it's a Toyota.
Tacoma.
Oh, it's an old one though.
Yeah.
I haven't been in a manual Tacoma in I don't know how long, and the fact that these things go so far, like down here, whoa, like damn, bruh. There's no middle seat if somebody's like, you're literally like clutching in someone's fucking crotch, like, you know what I mean? Anyways, you already know this is about to add probably like 10 horsepower to my shit, and yeah, we finna go fast in a flashy way now. How about I'll just tie in with you guys when we get closer to there. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Yeah, give me the money. Take the cash. Spend the cash. Get more parts. Get more cash. Then spend more cash and buy more parts.
Do it again.
And do it again, yeah.
It's on repeat.
Cool. Just secured it. Yes, sir. All right. That sounded like it was not about to turn back on.
Well, it did, motherfucker.
Oh yeah, we definitely was gonna need a truck for this one.
Yeah.
I don't think we were gonna be able to bring this in the Lexus like with the wheels and tires. Did you see that, by the way? Woo! We made it work though. Okay. Shout out to you, Jonathan. Believe. Alright, we're gonna head back to Timmy's house to throw this hood on and see how it looks like and get all wet and excited. So I'll see you guys when we get there. Alright, so we're gonna need to take off these right here on both sides.
So we get to the bolts.
I believe they're like kind of like pushed with pliers. Oh yeah, but should be fairly easy, guys. Honestly, we probably should have it done in like 5 minutes.
With Timmy here, yeah.
Definitely with Timmy here. I mean, if it was me, guys, you might take slightly longer just because you know.
You're not gonna have this no more.
What do you mean I'm not gonna have this no more?
Yeah, I don't think that hood comes with a fucking sprayer.
What do you mean?
Well, maybe. Well, I don't. Well, we'll see when we take it off.
Sketch. So I can't spray my window no more?
What happens when you carbon fiber?
Carbon fiber problems? Whatever. That's a small little thing to deal with.
So
my boy's got the pressure washer right here.
clean your engine bay.
Oh, okay, that's cool. We're gonna be cleaning the engine bay too, guys. This is a treat because I've never cleaned it before, so you can only imagine the filth.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Yo, I've never seen my engine bay this clean before. So we're just kind of taking it apart over here already. Already took off the hinges. I'm gonna take off this side right now.
That's
so
shock. That's shock.
They're not hinges, they're shocks.
Yeah, shock.
So what? These are hinges, right?
Yes.
Okay, so
That's
my
the shock
bad.
to hold it up, you know?
My bad, sensei. I'm gonna take off these shocks right here, y'all. I don't want to like mess up the terminology and get roasted in the comments. I think it's better that Timmy roast me instead. So we're gonna go ahead and take that off right now. So give us a second. Hey, what would you guys think if we just, you know, just rolled around? If we had a badass freaking engine build, like low key, it would.
Like a 2JZ.
Yeah, if we had a 2JZ, low key, that would be tight. Like, on like a drifting type of deal. Super light. Oh my gosh. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and just say this right now. I did not get the typical Lexus 2IS, 3IS, you know, hood. A lot of people get the TS2, I believe, and so I went ahead and went with the TS, which I'm super excited for because in the center is my favorite freaking part, and I'll show it to you guys why right now. Timmy thought this might have happened, but we had to switch the OEM hood lock from this one, so it's just 2 bolts. Nothing, you know, difficult or whatever. Dude, look at this freaking badge right here. Seibon, boy. I know you can't see it because there's not much light, but sheesh. All right, you guys. So ran into a little thing where we're like hella Mickey Mouse in it right now, but basically we're trying to get the hoses for the window washer threaded through the Seibon hood, just kind of like how the OEM hood kind of had it. There's not really anywhere for you to put your hooks either, so we literally had to like thread it through for a little while and try to find it. But yeah, I think it's gonna work. I think we're gonna be able to use the washers with this hood, so I'm pretty excited about that, not having to cancel something else off the car, you know, like my TIMMYS sensors. You guys, this thing is immaculate, dude. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to throw this on. So like I said, you guys, I got the TS version, not the TS2. Man, look at these vents, yo. This is my favorite part. This is really the reason why I really wanted this, is because of this middle center piece right here. I think it's so mean and aggressive. Like I said, a lot of people get the other ones where it's like these vents right here, but it goes along the side, and then this is just smoothed out. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys know which hood I'm talking about, but damn, man, this looks so freaking good, yo. Super blessed inside it, man. Good looking out to me. Thank you. Yo, look at this, yo. Huh? No stickers? I'll just print one. Dude, this is hard, bro. And then, man, if this had like a super sick, you know, engine in there to see, oh my gosh. Yeah, I really can't get enough of how it looks, yo. Cheese.
It should look a lot meaner.
So much more aggressive, dude. I'm telling you, my favorite part is this centerpiece right here with the body lines. It's just so...
Now you just gotta paint your fucking valve cover better.
Yeah, once I paint my valve cover and it shows through there, man, that little ugly piece of crap that I messed up in a video, if you guys seen that. Oh, you guys, I'm super satisfied. Oh, by the way, I just wanted to give a huge thank you to Mike over at High End Motorsports. Really appreciate you getting this for me, man, and shout out to Timmy too for doing all the groundwork and finding it and such, making the moves to get it for me. So really appreciate y'all. You know what I'm saying? Gotta give credit where it's due. You know what I'm saying? I can't do this. I can't do a lot of this stuff without, well, Timmy, Jonathan, and a lot of other resources. So very grateful. Damn, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys like carbon fiber. Let me know if you guys like, you know, carbon fiber hoods. Let me know if you guys like this carbon fiber hood. Would you go with this one, or would you go with the other style, the TS2, you know, the one with the side vents on the side of the hood? So this is my favorite looking one. So much more better and aggressive. Yeah, definitely. Timmy said I got to get it ceramic coated, and same thing with the wheels. That is something I wasn't aware of, but to save the longevity of them, I think that would probably be a good idea. Me and Timmy are kind of hungry, so we're gonna go get some grub. But I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, you guys, so it's currently the next day. Ooh, sitting pretty. Right now we're about to go meet up with a bunch of friends for some Korean barbecue, and I'm super excited because it's been a little while since the last time, or well, my first time going to get barbecue with them. So I'm really excited. I know it's gonna be a good time, and we're all in like the group chat, kind of like talking it up. So, but I am running late like usual, you guys. Straight up, let's go.
One more, bro. That shit fire. Alright, round 2, let's go.
Now let's fucking go. Yeah, we just got the servers to take a shot with us. Yes, sir. Say what's up, everybody.
Hey, yo, cheers. Yo, cheers. Another one.
Is that an Andy?
Dude, I could take a nap.
Oh yeah.
Yo.
Oh yeah, bud. Oh yeah.
Calm down. Calm down.
This is definitely Senpai Andy Supra.
Oh wait. Stop. Hold on for 1 minute.
All right, you guys. So yeah, I'm just a little bit tipsy, but other than that. Look at everyone's car. Look at this lineup, yo. This is super dope. We're all just here, kind of chilling.
Oh, you need to know. You need to know.
Ah, damn, Ariel. Still on my favorite rims. Damn, got me hot. Look, and then me and CJ over here at the end, because we came late and we had to find a spot. You know how to park mine with the fleet. Oh, my light's off. Well, I'll fix that later.
No, my boy.
Hard pass. Oh, look at that. Who's that? Who's that clean GS right there?
Yeah.
This is for you.
Oh, this is for me. This is for me. Hey, so sick. Hell yeah, dude. All right, you guys, so I know it's a little bit dark and you can't see too much, but I wanted to add this little bit of touch to the hood with you guys. I want to, you know, have you guys with me as I did this. But I ended up getting, you know, a white Seibon decal that I thought would be a good idea to like place like right here in the middle of the hood, or like top of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on real quick and we'll see how it looks. I'm gonna just wipe this area down with like just some water, and we'll go ahead and see how it looks. All right. Sheesh. I think that was good placement. Try to center it out with right here. Had to turn my flashlight on so you guys could actually see, but I kind of like it. Might keep it on there for a little while. Just an idea I had. Let me know what you guys think. Are you guys like one for stickers, or you guys like not one for stickers? Let me know in the comments below if you guys like stickers on your car, or you don't care for any stickers on your car and you kind of try to keep it as clean as you can. I know there's a lot of people like that, but I don't know. I'm just trying it out, see how it looks. But anyways, that's all I got for this episode, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this install. I'm infatuated with this hood, you guys, so I'm super glad at this purchase. Had such a blast with everybody at Mr. Barbecue, as you guys could have seen. We all had a little too much fun maybe, but yeah, it's always a good time with you guys. So if you guys are watching this, I really appreciate you guys. And if you guys haven't copped anything yet from the lab website, make sure you guys go ahead and do that. We still have a little bit of stuff left, you guys, so I really appreciate all you guys that have been supporting. It means a lot to me. And if you guys are new to the channel and you guys like what you see, please be sure to like and subscribe, you guys. It helps me out. We're almost at 700. I'm super excited. We're growing, and it's just a lot of good energy going around over here, so I can't wait for the future. And with that being said, make sure you guys live long and prosper. It's all about longevity. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.